Hey everyone. Well, we're starting to head south on this trip and it's getting warmer. And one of the things that we got to deal with leaving the dogs in the warm vehicles, whether it's the warm trailer or the warm truck, is Waggle. That's right. We've got ourselves some Waggle products to try out and see how they work. Waggle sent them our way, but they didn't tell us, how to leave a review. They just said try them out and throw it on your channel if you like it. So we're going to try this out. We've got two different products. One is the traditional Waggle product that I believe works just with the cellular systems, and that's to be able to tell you if your vehicle is getting too warm or if your RV is losing power. You can set it up to tell you that. This way you can leave the air conditioner on for your dogs and they're safe, right? If it goes down, you're gonna know. The other cool thing is this webcam, and this is a real plus. Now the webcam actually connects, I believe, to the internet via Wi-Fi. The good news is we've got Starlink, so we almost always have Wi-Fi here at the trailer. And now that we're here at Walmart, this is the perfect place to try this out, see how it works, and then when I go in shopping, I can monitor the dogs. All right, so we've got the app working, and we're able to basically listen and give voice instructions. So I can do things like say, be a good girl. Be a good girl. So I don't know how well you can hear it, but it's coming out of the camera. And then we can also hit the record, which we'll be able to listen to her bark in just a moment. We know that the temperatures are okay, and I can always leave the AC on if I want to. I'm not so worried about the temperature, but I do want to see how crazy do the dogs bark when we're not here. I know it's a lot. And can we stop them from barking by giving them commands through the Waggle app? We'll see. All right, let's take a look and see how they do. We gave them pig ears, so that should keep them quiet for a little bit, but we'll be monitoring it now, won't we? You being a good girl, Lizzie? You being a good girl? Two tricks I've learned so far already. One is you can go SD instead of HD and you get a way better frame rate. It's almost real time. And you can go full screen, so you can watch it on your whole phone. Look at Lizzie just munch on that pig ear.
Delicious.
She's barking. Yep, she's barking at the camera that's moving. Lizzie, stop barking. Nope. Be a good girl. Nope. No barking. Shh, good girl. Lizzie. Stop barking. There you go. That's a good girl. No, nope. Nope. Be good. Lizzie Lou, it's okay. Just be good. Just be good, Lizzie. Stop tripping. Here, got the keys. You just gotta.
Hello.
Stay.
Stay. Oh, how you guys doing? Stay, Lizzie. Stay. Did you hear us? Hear us talking?
So the RV Cam AI Mini is amazing. The experience we just had in Walmart was insightful. It worked. We were able to see what made Lizzie bark. We looked a little weird because we were talking to our dog to a phone in the middle of Walmart, but I was really happy to communicate with her, and we got her to stop barking a couple of times. The camera itself moving around was setting her off, but I imagine she'll get used to that. So I gotta say, this thing really couldn't be easier. Out of the box, it just takes a few minutes to register the webcam and the pet monitor. Connecting it to the app is easy, and when you're ready to go, you don't need any Wi-Fi for the actual pet monitor. It works off of the cellular network. Now here's some cool features of the pet monitor. First, it tracks the temperature and humidity inside your RV in real time. Second, it sends instant alerts to your phone if things get too hot or too cold. Third, it has built-in cellular connectivity, so it works everywhere you travel in the US or Canada. Fourth, you can check live updates on the app at any time and check in on what the temperature is of your rig. And for security purposes, it actually has GPS built in, so you always know where your rig is parked. If you travel with pets, this device is a game changer. Now, I do have discount codes, a 70% off the pet monitor and 10% off the pet camera. I'm going to put links in the description, as well as a couple of QR codes right here. So you can point your phone camera at the QR code, and that should take you straight to their website so that you can shop and buy it there, getting the discount.